everybody. Today I'm gonna open my first Lego set, and it's the T-Rex tractor Lego set, and today is my first Lego set, and I'm so excited. Let's open it up. Okay, so we get 2 instruction books. Oh, tires fell out. Here's the instructions. Okay, here's what we have to do. So here's one instruction. All right, and now we got our instruction books, and here's the stickers. Okay, we get bag number 3. Okay, some tires, and it's my favorite part of this set, and this is the T-Rex. And okay, so let's hang on to the other bags. Like bag number 4. Okay, I think it is. Yeah, it's bag number 4. Okay, now 2 more tires here. Way at the end, we have 2. All right, another bag inside of it. And there's bag number 1. Is there any more pieces? No. All right, let's go. Now we're gonna open this set, and oh, there's one side. I think it is. Oh no. I have to cut it all the way. Okay. There. Got it. And now we're going to take the pieces out. So let's start off with the head. Oh, here's the jaw. Okay. Now, doing that. Oh no, that goes right here. That is the T-Rex's mouth. Okay, it's attaching to his body. Alright, it's huge for the bag. Okay, stay still. Alright, leg. Now we're putting on the leg. Here it is. It's nice. T-Rex could click his head down. That's how it is. Okay, now let's get the tail out. Okay, next tail. First tail. Okay, I did it. Swivel his tail. You could swivel it. Yeah, I like it swiveled. Okay. Okay, T-Rex is a nice piece. Alright, I have his arms in here. Teeny tiny arms for T-Rex. Okay, we could also swivel this guy's tail. Alright, so here's his leg. So such small T-Rex. Okay, let's go and do this. Get the arms, little arms out. Oh, that's backwards. Okay. There's the first one. There. Second one. Oh no. Oh no. It keeps wanting to turn. T-Rex, here he is. Thank you for watching. But I see something that we could do. Oh no, I see what he could do. I see it. It's supposed to be clicking. Alright. Then I see these things that you could put a minifigure on order for his back. Okay? I hope you liked this video. Bye.